Hello, I'm Nicola. Today we're going to draw a bot cat, a robot cat. I've done it already here. I did a robot first, which I'll show you. There we go, we did him. You'll find him on another video if you want to have a go at drawing that one. It's quite cute. And then, there we go. This is the one we're going to draw today. He's quite cute. Also, he's got sharp teeth, but he still looks cute with his little hands. I don't know, paws, hands. Can't see on top of hands. They have paws with claws. I've not put claws on. It could be a nice cat robot. So we're going to have a go at drawing that. I'm going to put that in front. That's the one I did earlier. So I'm going to try and copy the one I did. Now, what I would do if I was you, when I drew that, I did it in pencil. Then I drew around it with black, and then I scanned it into the computer and used Photoshop. You can do that if you like as well, if you prefer. But I'm just going to do it straight away with this. Now I always draw, like I said, I always draw with a pencil and sketch it first, and you can rub out. Better to use a 2B pencil, but doesn't matter that much. But if you use a hard pencil, it's harder to rub out, so it don't matter that much, but it just makes it a bit easier afterwards. So I shall shut up now. Oh, do you know what I've done today? We have got a little sausage dog, Dachshund, and we have taken her swimming for the first time. There's a place where there's a swimming pool just for dogs. So she's been there today and she swam on her own. I know, I'm a bit daft. I love my baby. She's my fur baby. I haven't got children. She's my child. She's only a puppy. So I'm going to just draw. This is going to be the top of the cat's head. Or bot cat's head. Okay. It's a bit wobbly that, so I would have rubbed that out. So I'm a bit perfectionist, so I annoy myself actually with it. So this is a bit tricky. So we're going to draw zigzaggy teeth. I'm going to do... I want them quite equal really, but it doesn't have to be perfect. Sometimes your artwork looks good when it looks drawn rather than absolutely perfect. So, well, I like to think that anyway. So that's going to be the teeth bit, and that's going to be the top of the head. So, see, I've made a little bit of mistake. That could have come out a little bit more there. Anyway, so you can rub yours out. So what I'm going to do, if I draw it and then you copy, so I'll just draw a bit. This is going to be the jaw, so I'm going to go all the way around and out, connect to there. If I go too fast, press the pause button. That will help. I'm going to do a collar now. He's going to have a nice collar on. I'm trying to do this like the old sci-fi films. I think more like a B movie. So it's made out of scrap metal and trying to make it old. Now I'm going to do the body. I'm going to come all the way down. A tip for you, which I've said on my other videos, if you want to put something underneath your hand, I struggled there. My hand was dragging a bit. I've got a little visitor. This is my cat. She's coming to visit now. You've had your tea, lady. She tells me she's not had a tea when she has, and then she tells my partner she's not had a tea when she has. Naughty. Actually, no. Would you say that, or would you say she's clever? Right, so we need some cat's ears on. So we're going to go straight up, have a little bit of a rounded bit, and come back down. So I'm going to do this side next, because I find it easier with my hand to draw that way. You do whatever's comfortable. Okay, and then we need the inside of the ears, so that's just the same on the inside. Okay. Right, now, legs next, I think, then we'll do the hard bit. We've got a hard bit coming up, but you can do it. I'm sure you can do it, especially if you use a pencil. So there's going to be legs, and then we're going to have robot feet, like this. It's like slightly curved rather than completely straight. Just looks softer. Right round again. Trying to get it same, but it's never going to be completely the same. There we go. That's that one. He's got a bit of a wonky leg on that side, but that's okay because he's a robot. Right, next, I'm going to do the hard bit. So we want these shoulder bits first. There we go. No, they're not boobs. I'll shut up now. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then we're going to do the same on this side. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now they're like the holes on the hoover a little bit. So they can move. Now I just want a little bit, 2 lines there. The same on this side. Now I'm going to do it right this time. I need to draw this side. If I draw that side, I can't see. So I'm going to draw this side and then I can copy to try and make it as similar as I can. So every time, as you will see on my other videos, I do it wrong. When I do the eyes. I wish you could shout out at me when I do the eyes, because I'm bound to do it wrong. There we go. And now I can copy that. I can see both now at the same time. Keep it in the box. You know I haven't got an overhead camera for this, so I use a box with a pile of boots, the coat hanger stuck in the boots, and put my phone on the top. Works. It's fine. So fingers. I take the lid off the pen and then I won't be able to touch the box. So I'm just going to do 1, 2, and 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. And then we're going to have circles on the end. Try to keep them similar size. It's not a problem if they're not. Try circles. They're a bit wonky, but that one's a bit rubbish, so I would have rubbed that out and done it again. If I'd have used a pencil. Doesn't matter. Doesn't have to be perfect. If you're using your pencil, you can just rub it out. There we go. 3. I don't know why, but on cartoons, sets of 3 tend to look good. I don't know. I think it's because you've got 1 in the middle and 2 either side, maybe. So when you're doing a cartoon, if you use 3 fingers and 1 thumb, it's easier to draw and it looks good, I think. I think it looks better. Right, this time, this eye first. I'm going to do it right, because if I do that one, then when I move to that one, I can't see, so I can't get it level. And I'm going to actually cheat this time and use a pencil, because every time I do it, I do one eye bigger than the other. So I'm going to cheat a little bit, and I'm going to draw those with a pencil first. And this is what you could be doing instead of doing what I'm doing and drawing direct with a pen. You could draw with your pencil first. So we've got that bit, and we're going to have another bit inside there. Do it slightly to the middle, so it looks a little bit cross like that. Just makes him look cute. Makes him look a little bit mad, crazy cat. There we go. I nearly drew the nose then. That's cheating too much, that. So let's have a go. So I'm going to try now and draw these eyes quite round on the same size. There we go. Not bad, bit thing wonky there. So here we go. Do this one as well. Okay, not perfect, man. I bet you can get them better than that. Right, now the middle of the eyes. I'm going to do this. Do not colour that in just straight away, because we're going to do something else on that now. Same. On that side, now that's bigger than that, so now I can try to make this one a bit bigger. It looks similar. Right, what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw a circle there and colour that in. It just gives him a little bit of shiny eyes. There we go. A little bit of a circle, colour that. Just get rid of that bit there. There we go. We need a nose. So we're just going to do a normal cat's nose, even though it's a robot. Right, colour that in. There we go. Oh, she was dead good, my puppy, today at swimming. She wasn't sure at first. It's a bit cold, the water, when you first get in. But it's alright after a bit. And she had to get used to it. And she had a little coat on that held her up in the water a little bit. And you had to... It was a mermaid one. She's so cute. If you go on my Facebook page, I will put the I'll put pictures on there once I've got them. So look under, I'll put it under fur babies because I've got a cat as well. So she's just going to draw these. These are patches where the cat's been repaired. Where is that? I'm going to have dots on these. And this is where he's been repaired. There we go. And I'm going to put those on the ears as well. Oh dear. So yeah, so she had a little, it's like a life jacket for dogs. So yeah, I'll put it on my Facebook page and you'll be able to see her. Hopefully a video. I'm sure the people that ran it took a video. So hopefully I shall share that on there under fur babies. So these are more patches that I put on to make it look old fashioned, like the kitty's been repaired a few times. So I'm going to start with that dot. These are the fastenings. I don't know what they're called. I'm not sure. So I'm going to start with that and then I can move out from there. Try and keep them similar distance apart, but it doesn't have to be perfect. There we go. So that's that one. And then I'm going to do the same here. It's easier to start from this bit. That's the point. So that would need to be in the corner. There we go. And then going this way. Oh, that a little bit bigger so it looks like the others. Moving along. These are just the bits where they pinned the repair metal on. Right, and feet. I'll have some on here where they've stuck the feet on. There we go. Super. Right, and I think you would have them fastening the fingers on. So maybe there, maybe. And then fastening the wrist on here. And fastening the toe beans. I loved cat's toe beans. My boy used to have, he was a grumpy, really, I loved him though. You couldn't touch his toe beans, he'd have you, he'd bite. There we're going to go, put them on the fingers, but he had fluffy ones, you couldn't see him very well, he had fluffy between his paws. So, he was a grumpy boy. One, I'm going to put some on the collar so where he's fixed this on as well. A few dots, going a bit dotty here. That's what my cat's called, Dotty. She's absolutely adorable. She's so loving. She's a little rescue. There's videos of her actually. If you have a look on my playlist, you'll find one called Fur Babies, and there's a video of her when I took her to the beach. And the dog is done. And someone, me, forgot to bring my shoes to get changed into for the beach. So I had boots on and she ran me up the sand dunes. It's a funny video, you have a look for it. Yeah, you can imagine. Because I forgot. So there we go, there is the robot cat. So I'd like to see your pictures. If you could send them to me, you'll find the links below because I write and illustrate children's stories. There is actually a couple of stories about robots that you might like. There is one, and it's called Captain Cuthbert. He's a pirate, he's a bossy and all. He's bossy and greedy, and he gets his hands on a robot. So that doesn't end very well. Let's have a look. I might have the book here to show you, actually. Let's have a look. See what I've got. Here we go. There we go. So this is Cuthbert, and this is his robot. Yeah. So what happens is, whoever the robot's master is, they can command anything they want and the robot will follow the command. So, yep, that doesn't go very well with a bossy. So here you go. Brush my beard, clean my shit, bring me champagne, bring me food. And it gets worse. He's not very nice, you see. So there's that one. And this one is my favourite that I've wrote. And it's not got pirates in this one. This is a little bit like E.T. for adults. You might like Stranger Things. It's a bit scary if you're a child. It's got suspense, adventure, coming of age, friendship, sci-fi. So we've got robots and aliens and stuff in that. There's the alien, and where are the bots? There we go. They've been put in the wrong hands, them bots, so they're not very nice. But at the end, maybe they're actually quite nice later on. I don't know. We'll see. You'll have to, if you would like that, it's only £3. You can read it straight away. Download it. You'll find the link below. So look up Captain Cuthbert on the internet. You'll find them on there. Use the free one. But you've got me reading it, unfortunately. It's called Captain Cuthbert and the Cobra Gem. And yes, another one where he gets his hands on this relic that will allow him to have wishes. Okay, so yeah. That hand's in a bit of a disaster as well, in the hands of a greedy person. So you can actually listen to that and you see the pictures. I read it out loud, but you can see the full picture on screen. So you can that'll be in the links below. So if you look in the description below and send me your pictures, I will post them on my page. You'll find that on there as well. That's just Captain Cuthbert on Facebook, and I will post your pictures so you can email me them or messaging them to me. I'd love to see them. Look for my playlist. There's about 50 odd pictures on there now, and I'll be doing more, so subscribe to the channel. And thank you very much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this one. I might do a robot dog next, and you can also send me requests if you want me to do other things. Message me. I might do one of your requests. We'll see. So thank you, and hope to see you next time.